Hello, my dear students. I welcome you all to my grammar class. Today, we are here to understand simple future tense. So, let's write the date first. Today is 11/11/21. Write the topic on the top, that is on the red line. Simple future tense. Leave the first line, start from the second line. Let's write two sentences. The first one is I shall go to the I shall go to the museum. Museum. Museum today. Today. Full stop. I shall go to the museum today. So till now I have not gone, but I will go today. Okay. Second one is I shall leave. Leave. Leave soon for Delhi. Delhi. Full stop. Okay. Now this is again going to happen. It hasn't happened till now. I shall leave soon for Delhi. Okay. So it is going to happen. Okay. Just underline the word shall go and again here shall leave. So it is going to happen shall go. Okay. That is a future tense. Again shall leave is future tense. Now the underlined words here show action that will be done later. It has not been done. It will be done later. So it is not done yet. Okay. It will be done in future. Okay. Today. But till now it hasn't happened. It will be done. And again soon. Means we are going to do that work soon. But it hasn't happened till now. So it will be done in the future. The verbs or action words are in simple future tense. Okay? Understood? Now, let's write some more examples. Here, uh, some more examples. Okay, here you can write the first one. I give you to put a arrow here. Okay, I have given arrow in the first one. So second one also you give the arrow. Okay. I shall. Shall come tomorrow. If you're writing, check out the spelling, children. Tomorrow. Tomorrow. I shall come tomorrow. Underline shall come. Okay, which is going to happen in future. The second one is he will call us later. Again, underline the verb will call. Next sentence is She will come back soon. Okay. Again underline the verb here, which is given in future tense, will come. Next one is they will buy a car, car next year, next, next, year, full stop. Here again, will buy is the verb you have to underline, which is given in future tense. Will buy. Not yet done. They are going to buy. Next one is we shall visit. VISIT. We shall visit Delhi next week. Underline the verb again. And the last sentence is you will SING. You will sing. That is the verb here, which is going to happen in future. You will sing a new song in the evening. EVENING. In the evening. Okay. I read it once for you. I shall come tomorrow. He will call us later. She will come back soon. They will buy a car next year. We shall visit Delhi next week. You will sing a new song in the evening. Okay. So in all these sentences, the action will be done later. It is not yet done. It will be done later. And can you see we use the words shall for I and we. Okay. I repeat, we use the word shall for I and we, and we use will, will for they and you. Okay, we use shall for I and we use will for they and you. Okay, also for he and she. Can you see that, children? Now we come to the question. Let me turn the page. Let's write the question. The question given is write the verbs in the future tense. Okay, some verbs are given. The first one is go. Okay, so what will be the answer for go? Put a dash here. We will write shall 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 if I is used, and it can also be will go. That is shall go or will go. If they are used, then it will be will go. So we are writing both the option. Shall go, will go. Okay. Come to the second one. Second one given is, in all the options we have to write both the things. Where we can use shall and where we can use will. Remember I told you we have to use shall with I and we, and we have to use will with they and you. Okay, don't forget. The second one is play, Play, play. So again here it can be shall or will play. If you have to use with I and we, then it will be I shall play. And if you are using with they and you, then it will be they will play, you will play. Okay, I repeat, I shall play, we shall play. And if you are using with they and you, then it will be they will play, you will play. Got it? Come to number 3. Third one is, what is the third verb given here? Study. STUDY, study. Again it can be shall, will, play. Sorry, study. STUDY, study. Okay. When are you going to use shall study? When it is with I and we. If suppose you are using with I, then it will be I shall study or we shall study. If you are using they, then it will be they will study or they will study or you will study. Okay. Now we come to number 4. The fourth one given is hop. HOP, hop. Do you know what is hop? Hop means to jump. Again, if it is I shall hop. I shall hop, we shall hop. And if it is they will hop, you will hop. Got my point? So I have written like that. And the last one given here is SEEC. If you are using with I, then I shall see. Okay, I am leaving the space for the other word. Or you know. It is shall we are going to use with I and we. I shall see, we shall see. Correct? And if you are using for they and you, they will see or you will see. Okay, so in both the things we have written for I and we, you and they. Hope you will remember, children. So this was all for today. Thank you.